Anyways, what were you saying, Ghazi?
You're so funny. So,
I wish we could have been recording the day that we were talking. Oh my god, that was so funny.
so funny. We will make more funny content when we will be together in America, Florida. But one thing, where will you keep me in Florida?
If you want, you can stay at my house.
Thank you. But you know, as long as I will stay in your city, everything I will spend.
My city's really interesting.
This is the last PK, okay? Then I will let you go because you are really aiming for attending on a wedding ceremony. So definitely, when are you gonna go?
When we get off, I'm gonna end it too because I'm gonna smoke a cigarette and then I'm gonna get back on. The wedding is in. Hold on. The wedding, I have to leave in 2 hours. But the wedding technically is in 3 hours. But I have to leave in 2 because it's going to be an hour drive.
If Ghazi were in your country right now, so what would happen? Would you like to take me on the wedding ceremony?
What would happen
Yeah.
is you need to stop talking to other girls before I take a shower whoopee with it.
Listen, listen to me. You are really absolutely romantic woman. Listen, I'm gonna finish. Right.
You're a mess. A mess.
Yeah. But one thing I can assure you that I'm gonna terminate it creating this kind of content. I'm not gonna really.
No, Ghazi, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You do whatever you need to do. That's your content. That's your niche. I'm just joking. I promise. I'm
No.
just joking with you.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's
But
your niche, and it's what's been working for you so far. And I think you should continue to do it. But I think you should try to make videos where you really do teach them, like. I think you should tell your audience, like, your story, why you care to learn English, and, like, really teach them how you learn English, and then try to teach them, like, just everything. I think you should really try to teach them how to learn English.
for sure.
I think if you did this, I think you would become an account that has millions of followers.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. But you know, one thing, as you say, whatever I say, that's funny, but you can do whatever you want, that's the content. But for me, I'm gonna really going to eat creating this kind of content because I only speak with you. I want to create the content, everything regarding of you. Okay, so you will stay with me and we will make together content and upload on our both channel, you and me.
With me?
Yeah, for sure.
I think that's a great idea because I think it gives us both the opportunity to get cross support.
For sure, yeah,
Even
absolutely.
though I'm a baby influencer, all I really have going for me is Bigo and my most impressive accounts are Bigo and Snapchat with a little over 10K. It's better than nothing though, but a lot of my followers now know you, ask about you, ask how you're doing. So I just think that's really interesting because now you're getting Americans and things like that.
So listen to me, dear. As I said to you earlier, maybe 1 or 2 months ago, if you could come in Bangladesh on February 1st week, I can guarantee you, you would really able to monetize your Facebook and YouTube also. But that's not going to be happened. Really, unfortunately, but I know why you are not going to be really started this kind of journey.
There's another thing that happened too.
What?
I have family that lives in Colombia, and so there was a couple of things that happened with the issue with, remember?
Yeah, I know.
Just because of everything that's going on.
Yeah, okay, but take your time, no worry. No need to be really hassled, okay? So take your time, no need to take another risk. But as I said you, for me, I'm gonna try to go in another neighbor country and then I will try to move on the America, okay? Only for you. So wait for me,
Sure.
as you said to me, save money. Now I'm not gonna say how much money I already saved into my account. It's the live platform. So yeah, everything is going to be very closed. Don't worry.
I think you should do is you should take your 50%, spend it on you, spend it on your mom, your house, whatever you want. Like things that are relevant, like bills, clothing, things you need. And then the rest of it, I think you should save or buy your, what do you want to call it, luxury items, things that you probably don't need, but things you want.
I think majority of my earning accumulating into my account because now I need to focus on my career. But yeah, alongside with my family.
But yes, you do take some of your money and put it towards your career. But make sure your family and everything, like, I don't know how things work there, but if it was me, like I said, I don't know how things work there. Make sure your house is safe, nice and stable. If you can build your house up stronger, focus on your garden. Make sure everything at home. Don't be afraid to spend money to make your house and your family, and don't be afraid to do that. Don't feel like you need to put all of it towards, content creation.
I never do the procrastination, okay, for my family necessary needs. Okay, so I put that first. But now I said the mainly necessary things I will do for my family. But I think you will also support me, and we will really do something for our future niches.